Welcome to an exciting episode where we explore the thrilling world of high-speed chases. Witness the heart-pounding moments as reckless drivers flee from law enforcement, putting themselves and others at risk. Buckle up for intense footage and expert insights into these dangerous pursuits. On July 4th, 2024, during a routine patrol, a deputy from the Cobra unit observed a vehicle displaying a test drive tag, which is illegal in Georgia. When the deputy attempted to initiate a traffic stop, the driver refused to comply and accelerated, sparking a high-speed pursuit through the city of Riverdale.
Windjammer Center Plaza. Vehicle's taken off. I'll be pursuing Norman Drive, Crystal Lake.
Yeah, Norman Drive, Crystal Lake.
Right on Crystal Lake. Norman Drive going towards 285.
Norman Drive, let's start.
The suspect began driving through a residential area at a high rate of speed, exhibiting reckless behavior and showing a blatant disregard for the safety of others on the road.
Drive at McDonald's. We're going to be going towards 85. This unit is at 85.
I got spiked at 85. They spiked on full circle 85.
Hey, whoever this is behind me, I need you to come out.
Back up to Warren Falls Parkway, eastbound, towards 85. So, first Parkway, eastbound, 85.
The trooper, clearly frustrated by the suspect's reckless behavior, attempted a pit maneuver to bring the pursuit to a safe end. However, the maneuver was unsuccessful and the trooper was determined to stop the suspect as quickly as possible to prevent any potential harm to innocent bystanders. The deputy then successfully executed a pit maneuver, flipping the vehicle and entrapping the suspects inside. Fortunately, they were freed from the vehicle unharmed and taken into custody without further incident.
God, no! Boy, you see me? You stupid. What the f***? Hey, it's another one in here. Hey, you see me? Crossfire. No, that's it. It was just them two. Hey, sir, if you didn't know, you are under arrest, okay? All right, bet. Yes, sir. Put them both in my car.
On July 16th, 2024, at around 8:09 p.m., while assigned to the BAT unit, Sergeant Isaac observed a 2011 Chevrolet Impala who make an erratic and improper lane change at Tara Boulevard near Flint River Road. Clayton County PD Sergeant Lamb attempted to initiate a traffic stop in a nearby parking lot at 875 Smith Street. However, the driver, later identified as James Lee Mason, accelerated through the parking lot at high speed, attempting to flee and evade law enforcement.
Get back on Tara Boulevard. We'll be going northbound. It's gonna be a white Impala. Speeds will be 105 right now. Coming up to North Avenue.
Jonesboro Road, Citizen Public. 1640, I'm gonna pick it up. Top roll. Boulevard from Highway 138. Taking a right on North Ave. Right on North Ave from Tara Boulevard, eastbound North Ave.
The driver, James Lee Mason, failed to maintain his lane while speeding over 70 miles per hour. Jonesboro PD assisted by handling radio traffic during the pursuit. Mason then made a sharp right turn onto North Avenue, nearly colliding with another vehicle, and continued eastbound to Fayetteville Road. Along the way, he ignored multiple traffic control devices, recklessly endangering both himself and the public.
Better pull over.
If you occupied one black male white t-shirt, with facial hair. The Georgia. McGill County today. Made a right on Dixie Drive. 911-138.
That's it.
Dead end, Dixie Drive. 20.
Mason eventually reached a dead end where he attempted to continue down a hill onto Highway 138 eastbound. To ensure safety for everyone involved, Sergeant Isaac performed a pit maneuver by aligning his speed with the suspect's vehicle. He made contact with the rear driver's side quarter panel and turned the vehicle at a 90-degree angle at the intersection of Highway 138 and Scarlet Drive, effectively bringing the pursuit to an end.
Hey, watch out. Let me get him again. Watch out.
It's light storage. Don't go home.
Mason's vehicle collided with a fence and brick sign at Life Storage and became disabled. He was taken into custody without injury. A second individual, James Pratt, was removed from the front passenger seat, detained, and placed in Lieutenant Carey's vehicle until the scene was secured.
Climb out the window. Climb out the window. Climb out the window.
Climb out the window. My seat won't move. My seat won't move. My seat won't move.
On October 22, 2022, Georgia State Patrol was engaged in a high-speed pursuit of a stolen vehicle. This intense chase highlighted the challenges and dangers that troopers face daily in their line of duty. Get ready for an action-packed ride as we dive into the details of this thrilling encounter. The suspect brandished a firearm through his window and opened fire at the trooper, escalating the chase into a highly dangerous situation right from the start. This reckless act put both the trooper and the public at grave risk, intensifying the urgency to apprehend the suspect before anyone got hurt.
Where are you? The 10-3 traffic. 10-3 traffic.
Thank you for checking. If y'all want to back up, I don't want y'all to get hurt. Thank you so much.
The trooper observed the suspect exit his vehicle and flee on foot. Additional units quickly arrived at the scene, deploying K-9 units to assist in the search for the suspect. The coordinated effort aimed to track him down swiftly and ensure the safety of the surrounding area.
Where?
Over the fence.
Where? Ah, but God damn it, this way! God damn it. Focus.
The teams began searching for the suspect in the woods, meticulously combing the area. After approximately 15 minutes of searching, they successfully located the suspect, who was taken into custody without further incident.
Where at? Hey, show me them hands! Show me them hands! Show me them hands! Don't move! Don't move! I'll put the dog on you! Do not move! Atlas, here! Atlas, here!
264 radio, we got eyes.
I got him right here! Atlas, here! God damn it, Atlas!
In the woods. Clear the woods.
Gotcha! Around! Atlas, come on! Do not move! Do not move!
The suspect was successfully found and arrested, taken into custody without further incident. On Saturday, July 13th, 2024, while conducting a general patrol in the area of Godby Road and SR 314 College Park, a trooper observed an offender operating a dirt bike on the roadway while standing up and not properly seated. The bike lacked a visible tag, so the trooper activated emergency equipment to initiate a traffic stop. However, the offender disregarded the command, looked over his shoulder, laughed, and made an obscene gesture before continuing to flee.
Are you on Southampton?
Turning on Godby.
Which way on Godby?
Towards Fulton. Godby Road, eastbound back into the county, blue dirt bike, black male, black hoodie.
The offender increased speed, heading towards Fulton County, but upon noticing additional deputies trying to block his entry into the eastbound lane, he dangerously swerved into the westbound lane. This reckless move put the public at serious risk of injury, or worse. Officers attempted to block his path, but the offender circled back into Clayton County and started riding the dirt bike on the grass, continuing to evade law enforcement.
All right, going through 2001 Godby. Making right on Southampton, 2001
The
Godby.
pursuit continued southbound on SR 314, with the offender disregarding traffic laws and running the red light at SR 314 and Phoenix Belvidere, further endangering others on the road.
All right, coming back up to Godby Road. Black male, black pants, black hoodie, black helmet.
Reckless driving for the charger. Everyone that plays black belt, you know by the sheriff, please. Coming up to Norman Drive, still on my step, we're going to see our 45.
The offender then made a left onto Norman Belvidere, operating the dirt bike on the grass. For reasons unknown, the offender suddenly laid the bike down and raised his hands in surrender. He was taken into custody without incident. Upon investigation, it was determined that the bike was not stolen but unregistered, lacked valid insurance, and the offender did not possess the proper license to operate a motorcycle. Additionally, the offender was armed with a Glock 43, which was confirmed not to be stolen.
Hands out. Hands out. This ain't no game. I don't know where you thought you were. Get his ass.
On September 14th, 2022, at approximately 1:25 p.m., a trooper observed a white older model Ford Taurus entering the southbound lanes of Veterans Parkway from I-516 eastbound. The driver was holding a cellular phone at face level, interacting with the screen. The trooper activated emergency blue lights and siren to initiate a traffic stop. However, the driver exited onto Chatham Parkway without yielding, prompting the initiation of a pursuit. The suspect drove recklessly, exceeding the speed limit and running red lights, demonstrating a blatant disregard for the safety of other drivers on the road. The suspect drove into oncoming traffic, resulting in a horrific accident.
Y'all okay? Yeah. Okay, I'm about to get y'all checked out, man. No, you good. You the passenger, just both of y'all, right? Just y'all too? Yeah. You got your ID on you, man? Okay. I appreciate you, buddy, man. I'm gonna get the ambulance to come check y'all out, make sure y'all okay, okay? Yeah. He, huh? So you got Fred, he got him locked up, or what's the deal? What? No, he's in that car. I don't think he's gonna make it. He came.